Class 6. Good morning everybody. Today our subject general knowledge and our chapter 14 land forms. We all know that 1/4 of the earth's surface is covered by land. The portion which forms land on earth's surface is not the same everywhere. At some place the land may be too high or low. Some areas would be lush green and others are dry and barren. Let us learn about some such landforms. A mountain is the highest landform on the surface of the earth. It is usually found to be conical in shape with straight side and a pointed tip called a peak. Mountains could be steep and snow covered, or they could be gently sloping, having rounded tops. Some mountains are found under the sea and could be taller than the Mount Everest. Next, hills are lower and mountains but the higher than their surroundings areas. A number of hills together form a range of hills. Usually they are covered with grass. The climate in the hills is more pleasant than the climate in high snow covered mountains. It is neither too hot nor too cold. They make perfect tourist destination. Next, valleys are the low-lying areas between two mountains or hills. When rivers flow down the mountainsides and hillsides, it wears off the rocks and soil. Over a period of time, the water creeps out V-shaped grooves. These grooves get deeper and wider, finally forming lowland areas called valleys. Narrow valleys are called crayons. The climate in the valley is pleasant for living. A plateau is a flat-topped highland with steep sides. Since it looks like a travel, it is also called a tableland. They are usually surrounded by steep rock faces called cliffs. Plateaus are formed when magma pushes up towards the surface of the earth's crust. This magma does not break through, but it rises a portion of the crust of creating a plateau. Next, plains are areas of flat land. They usually meet the oceans or seas. These are called coastal plains. In India, we have the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. Some plains are formed by the action of river. These are called river plains. River plains are very fertile and good for growing crops. Next, deserts are large, dry and hot areas of land which receive little or no rainfall throughout the year. The vegetarian instantly due to the storage of water. Deserts are covered with sand. Sand dunes are formed in deserts. They are huge hills of sand formed by the winds. Deserts have extreme weather conditions. Next, island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Islands are formed due to volcanic activity or due to hot spots in lithosphere. A large group of islands close to each other together form archipelago. The Lakshadweep Islands are an example of archipelago. The largest archipelago in the world in Indonesia. The continent of Australia is an island. Okay, thanks.